Thank you for joining me again today. Many of you know me from my gaming videos. Keep in mind, if this works, it could save you a few $100s from an auto body shop, but it won't make it perfect. Goodbye the people. I shared my video on this the other day about what a great deal I got. Now today, I want to find out if I can fix this. Oh yeah, not so good. The rest of it's pretty good. It's really just a minor defect, but it bugs me. Somebody told me about a little trick. The danger with a little trick is I could cause a lot more damage. Could melt the paint, could melt the bumper, any number of things. But you get to see what happens. Please subscribe, regardless. You know I like those subscriptions. Thank you. Okay, I'm using this. I don't know if it's the proper tool, but we'll use it. It's a Wagner Power Stripper Plus. So keep your fingers crossed, guys. Wish me well. Okay, it's raining. I gotta wrap it up for a minute. Okay guys, I'm trying this again. The rain stopped for a few minutes. By the way, I'm putting this on a low heat setting. Hopefully I'm not going to damage this, because that would be awful. Did I mention there's gas here? It could be gas. It could be dangerous. Just be careful if you do this at home. Of course, if we have fire, now that would be exciting. I'm feeling the outside. Make sure it doesn't get too hot. Again, I'm trying not to ruin it.
Don't you have to push on it?
What's that?
Don't you have to push on it?
Yeah, I've got to get it malleable.
Okay.
Not getting it hot enough to melt the paint.
Yeah.
At least that's what I've heard.
That's what I've heard too.
It's getting hot.
I bet it is. I've worked with that stripper before.
What?
I said I've worked with that paint stripper before.
Oh, I thought it was. You were saying it was smoking.
No.
It's like no smoke. Ah, something in my eye.
Nice.
God, freaking hot.
I bet it is.
God.
Bottom came out.
Come on, you bitch. I'm sorry, you goof. Oh, that hurt.
Yeah, why aren't you wearing glasses?
Oh, I don't know. I didn't think of it.
Okay.
Don't do this without glasses. Oh, I think you cooled down a little bit now.
Yeah.
Didn't move at all?
A little bit at the bottom right where you actually pushed.
Yeah.
You sure you're supposed to be heating it from underneath?
I don't know.
I thought I would heat this side while you push that side.
All right, that's right.
Would that make more sense?
Sure, I'll deal with it. It's still recording? Oh.
Yes.
Man, I got stuff in my mouth.
So I don't think you're getting your hand up in there far enough.
Yeah.
Because you just keep pushing on this same bottom piece.
Yeah. Just careful.
And try right in here, if you can. First.
All right. Yeah, there's no leverage.
Yeah, that's what I was afraid of.
The metal bumpers, right there.
So you're going to have to suck from the outside.
That guy, she wants me to suck from the outside. Interesting.
Because it's plenty warm enough. It should be popping, but you're just getting down here, not up here.
Stick my stringy little arms up in there. Almost.
There you go. Keep going. Now up higher, if you can. One more. A little further. A little further. Can you hold that while I heat it?
I don't know. That might hurt. Try it.
A little higher. There you go. A little further. A little further. Pop goes the bumper.
Baby.
It's not perfect, but it's a hell of a lot better.
Yeah.
Pull your arms out and look.
Hot. Yeah, nice.
Now you just need to let it cool. You want to keep pushing?
No, I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
Oh, take it.
I mean, there's a little
And we got it on video.
concave, but not too bad.
Could you guys hear my grunting? I really tried. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Get your little paint strip.
It worked. Thank you.